We need to keep these two blades and the bowl in freezer for few minutes. Almost 20-25 minutes we can keep it over there. Here I am taking 8 pieces of strawberries. If you don't have this much of strawberries available with you, you can add this strawberry flavored essence as well. We need to remove this portion of strawberries and grind it in mixer and then strain it. Here I am not adding the strawberry essence as I have the strawberries available with me, but I have made it by only adding the strawberry flavored essence and it has got a good taste as well. We are straining to remove if any lumps are there. Here I didn't get much lumps as I have got a smooth paste. If it comes, we can remove it. To this strawberry puree, add 1 tablespoon of condensed milk and half teaspoon of lime juice and then keep it aside. See, when I have added the condensed milk and the lime juice, the color of the strawberry puree gets into a lighter form. And why I am adding lime juice is just to enhance the flavor of strawberry. Now we are going to whip our whipping cream. In the initial stage we can see some bubbles, but while the whipping progresses we can see that this liquid turns into a creamy form. See, now the cream is not falling down from the blade. Now we need to stop whipping and add the condensed milk and strawberry puree into it. Now we need to fold all these together. Now just add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and then blend it together. Now I am transferring this into a box in which I can keep the ice cream in freezer for some time. We need to keep it at least minimum 6 hours or overnight. Just level it, cover it with a cling wrap and then we can keep it in freezer. After scooping, we get a creamy textured, silky smooth strawberry ice cream. Hope you all like the video. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Stick around for more uploads soon. Take care and bye-bye.